Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Battlefield Error Code 14, 136002S, 7A. The error reads, "We can't load some data, so we'll take you back to the Start menu. Check your internet connection and make sure the platform client is online before you try again." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to boot up the game, but it gets stuck while connecting to the online servers, and eventually, users receive this error and are unable to proceed. According to our research, the error likely happens due to connectivity issues, firewall restrictions, system conflicts with USB devices, or problems with the EA anti-cheat. Some users also mentioned issues related to specific ISPs, which were temporarily resolved using a VPN. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with your router. Simply shut them down and unplug them from the power source, then wait for a couple of minutes, then plug them back in and restart. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try disabling your firewall temporarily. Simply go to your Windows security settings and find the firewall settings and turn it off. Then launch the game and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then disconnect all unnecessary USB devices from your system. Then keep only your mouse and keyboard connected. Then restart the game and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then verify the integrity of game files. If you are on Steam, simply open Steam and go to your game library and right-click on Battlefield, then select Properties, then go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish and check if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then go to the game's local files through Steam. Simply open the e-anti-cheat folder and right-click on e-anti-cheat installer and run it as administrator. Then click on Repair and select the Battlefield 6 folder from your common directory. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try these combined steps. Simply restart your PC and router, then add Battlefield to your firewall exception list, then set Steam, EA Launcher, and Battlefield 6 to run as administrator, and then remove all unnecessary USB devices. Then open Command Prompt and enter the following commands one by one. First enter and run ipconfig flush DNS, then enter and run ipconfig release, and then enter and run ipconfig renew. Once done, restart the system and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, and you are using a Singtel ISP or facing the same issue as others in your region, then try using a VPN temporarily. This has helped some users bypass the issue. So give this a try and see if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.